TS4. Right now we have the Gelrova. It look like the backpack, but the LED rider backpack is what it's called. It's basically, some other companies I see have the backpack for sale. Some doing different functions and different things. I decided to pick one up. We also have the Dark Knight Iron Man helmet here. You can do that kind of way in the background of the video. You can check that video out too. We turn the lights. Put it on blue. Put it on blue in the background there. That's follow. They mentioned the back there. So let's see. So this is the size there. Yeah, this is the size there. This is 36 by 18 by 48 centimeters. Power supply 5 volts, 2 amps, and also tell the material ABS plus PS. And the back side is PVC 1680. Let's see if I get this tape off here. And I could pause there for a minute to see everything there if you want to read that out. Also show somebody riding a bike with one. We plan to do a little bit more night riding with the fellas and them, so I decided to get one of these. I could also put my helmet inside comfortable. I'll show you the strap adjustable. And it also have an app to change the different lights and stuff on it. As you can see, the package really get banged up there. DHL not too long, drop it off there. And this is the condition it come in. It didn't come in any other box or anything like that. This came in the original box. Like it was squashed and stuff with other boxes, so hopefully it didn't damage inside. And the real scotch tape this up here. So check to see what's inside here while shipping. Because most likely sometimes it does open up the packages to see what you have inside. Just to double check to make sure there's nothing illegal inside here. But they're making it more difficult for me to open up the goods. So I did make the video of the helmet before, and I did try it on while riding a little bit. So I think I'd make a video showing riding. I don't know if I ever upload it, but we did try it out. It is difficult to see through the helmets if you line it up properly, especially with the blue light itself on. More difficult to see with the blue light than the red, and it's much more clear once you have the well, no light on basically. That's the other thing about that. So you can see the task here, that's to get us open here, and this will be most of the video here. Most likely we're gonna cut this out so you all can actually see the actual goods coming out. Alright, so we finally get into the package here after pulling and tugging. Finally could get him out. Nothing more in the box. We untangle him here and see how he's looking. I don't know if it has come with a power supply itself inside or if you just had to get one. So you will see here while it's coming out. So it does have a nice pouch. On the camera, tilt it a little bit there. Alright, nice. Does have the logo on the bag. Gelrova. I believe believe it pronounced, but you know, sometimes the pronunciation is not what the product is. So it does have a handle. First of all, to start off with the top, nice grab handle here. It comes with some tags and stuff here. And I don't know why my camera moving about so much. And the camera more excited than me right now. It does have a center strap to help protect you and hold you in more comfortable. Nice and soft padding. Let's see here. The back here has some padding on these bumpy parts. The center. Let's have a kind of next part here. So I don't know if anything else could fit behind here. Yeah, so it does have a zip hiding way behind here. Against your back. Nothing inside there. So you could hide with something, a little strap thing there. Right, let me find the zip. So this is one of the zips. I believe it could extend more bigger so that you could put your helmet inside. So let me do that one time. Alright, so it could kind of fold out to a wider distance there. Maybe the Iron Man helmet could fit inside. And let's get into the inside. We'll go to the outside where the light is just now. Let's see if we could get this Alright, so we have some nice pocket areas here. Like one with a Velcro strap holding down here. Could put something in there. One pocket here, one pocket there. Another zip pocket here. Nice. That's some kind of blow up something in the center so you can keep it up and out. A very large manual it looked like inside here. Showing you how to get the app and stuff and get that up and running. Right, so that's to send it to different locations and stuff. Yeah, and maybe with to download the app and stuff. A big kind of paper brochure or something inside there. Yeah, like a magazine. Yes, a big magazine looking type thing here. Show you the different ones and different colors they have. Since my bike more blackish, I just decided to take up the black one. None of the other fancy color ones. And I'll show you like there's two other signs and stuff to put behind vehicles. Alright, so this is the cable here. Standard USB. A little pocket area here, so like you could get a backup power thing to put it in. Has some clips here, so it looks like it could extend a little bit more. This is the front here. So it is plasticky. With a little kind of grippiness inside of it there. Brand name there. Lights. With the eyes right there. Let me see if I can get something to power it on, as I don't have any smaller power supply things like that. So I will have to get something else to power it up for me to check it out. Let's see, will I be able to zip this back smaller? Camera dangling. You know what, again, another camera stand for this. I find when the camera turned down a little bit too much, it caused that issue there. So let me pause for a while and go and see if I could get something to power it up. Alright, so I find my little pump here. So I'm going to use the pump itself to power it up. Let's have a nice USB type A one there. and I see if it was that. So let me see if we could power it on here. Let's see if we could get it to power on the lights. Let me see. Make sure I had the correct zip to open it, because it does have 2 zips. So let's see if we can get it on there. Right, so we do have it on there. Let's see, where can we put this? That will be too small, like right here. Would it fit? No. Chuck it in this big pocket here for now. Right, so we just chucking it in the big pocket here for now, and we'll close it back up. So if I need to use it, I can use my little pump that I have there. Let me see if I can prop it up somehow. Nice. So we do have both of them in frame. You can see the different patterns. So like when it come on, you can switch to all the light patterns on them there. So basically all of them it have. You can check them out there. So we just run through for a while. Now we take it in for a bit. Alright, so as you can see there, plenty. Let's see if we could get the app installed on my phone to check them out. The thing about that is I'm recording with my phone, so I don't know how we're able to get it on there and film it at the same time, but you all could see exactly how everything working there. And basically it's the same thing on the phone. You can actually switch them individual, and I believe you can control brightness as well on the phone itself. So because I need to use my phone to record, I'm able to show the phone itself controlling it, and nobody's here with our phone for me to use. So yeah, so that is it basically. So you could see here, so the mask, the helmet, most likely I might put them on sometime, come in here and just let's make a video with it on, just to show how everything looking. So now is just to transfer my stuff from my other bag, because I kidnapped one of my children bags and them were using to put my stuff in. So now as I get this one here, I'll load up all the stuff and transfer them across here to this bag. Yeah, so that's it. TS4 out.